Welcome to Encapsulate. On our landing page, we've got a cap to symbolize encapsulation and wrapping up of our degrees. Down below, we have information about the website. We have an About 399 section which summarizes the course. We have also added a link to Capitalize, which shows projects from previous semesters. Next, we have a section on Encapsulate for clients and Encapsulate for students. At the bottom, there is a section on the team that made this web app. As a student, you can create an account to view projects. Under the drop-down, simply choose Student. You can opt for registering with email and password or with a Google account. Here we have password checks that requires a capital letter, number, and a special character. After registering, you are prompted to sign in. In the case that the next semester has no published projects, students will see this view. In the case that there are published projects, this will be the view, a list of the projects. Each of these projects are clickable, and all of the information that we saw at the start of the semester on the PDF is accessible here instead. The register and login process is the same for a client, but clients have a client dashboard where they are able to edit their name, affiliation, and introduction. Right now we haven't submitted any projects. There are two ways to bring up the form. First, through the client dashboard, we simply enter a project name. The second way is straight from the homepage's Submit Your Proposal button. This takes you to the form, which is exactly like the Microsoft form that used to be sent out. Fill it in and submit, and you will be taken back to the client dashboard where your submitted project now shows up. From here you can edit your project. Say I want to change the name or have it considered for a future semester. Here the changes have shown up. As a client, we are also able to delete our own project. The bulk of our service is the admin view. You cannot register as an admin, so I have skipped the register login part here. Admins have access to all dashboards, including the student and the client views. In the admin dashboard, there are three main sections. Firstly, the project section. Here we see all of the submitted projects for the next semester. We can sort each column in different ways, from title, client, submission date, and original order. Now I decided I want the demo project to be improved. I simply drag it from the pending column to the approved column. I get a notification that I have unsaved changes, so I go and save the list. This saves all columns for the next time I want to visit the page. I can also publish the projects, which means a student will be able to view it from the student dashboard. I can also download a CSV of these projects and their information. We can also click a project to open up its information. From here, we can edit a project's detail, like on the client view before, and for some reason, if we don't want that project anymore, we can delete it. This will be removed from all semesters. Next, we have our client section, where we can view information on all of our clients. We see the client account that we just made. We can edit a client's details. And we can also delete a client. Under each client, we can see all of their associated projects, and we can click these to find out its information. Lastly, we have the semesters page. I want to go to the current semester and download a CSV of all of the approved projects. The upcoming semester is also highlighted in a different color so it is easier to see. We see that these approved projects are the ones that we saved in our projects page just before. Now I want to create a new semester where I fill in all of the relevant details. Maybe I named it wrong, so I can change its name. Or maybe I created too many semesters and I'm able to delete it. This will delete all of the associated projects with that semester. Additionally, we have an error page for any invalid URL requests. For our CMS, for the homepage and client dashboard that involve text, admins have the option to change the text. Right now this is the content on the homepage. If, for example, the course number changes in the future, through the content management system, we are able to have that easily updated. After a quick refresh, we see our changes immediately.